Hi friends, today we are going to try Andhra Style Chicken Fry. If you need to try a different tasty chicken fry, go for it. We can make this Andhra Style Chicken Fry without taking much time. Let's move to the video. Take a bowl, add 500 grams chicken with bone, add half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon red chilli powder. Mix it well. Marinate the chicken for 15 to 30 minutes. Take a pan, add 2 teaspoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon peppercorns, 2 cardamom, 2 cloves, 2 small piece cinnamon, 4 to 5 nose red chilies. Dry roast the spices. It turns aromatic. Cool it down. Transfer them into a blender. Grind it into a fine powder. Take a pan, heat 3 tablespoons oil, add 2 onion, 1 green chili. Saute it well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes till onion turns brown in color. Also add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Add 7 to 8 curry leaves. Cook for 1 minute. Add the marinated chicken pieces. Cook on low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Add previously prepared masala. Add half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Add 7 to 8 curry leaves, 2 tablespoon coriander leaves, stir well. Now switch off the flame. Our Andhra Style Chicken Fry is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.